Hey guys, welcome to the video. We have a case for Apple Watch right here. So I'm going to be installing this on my Apple Watch SE, as you can see right here. So let's take it out. I've actually never installed anything like this before, so this is going to be the first time. Let's see if I'm making any mistakes or not. There we go. So this is going to be a full case, not just a screen. And as you can see, we have two of them, so in case we do mess up, we'll have another chance. I'm gonna keep it on my hand so it's gonna be easy to work with. And you also get two sets of the cleaning stuff, wet wipe and a dry wipe. So I'm gonna use the wet wipe first to kind of clean everything down, and then we're gonna use a dry one to dry everything off. It's best to shut it off, so as you're cleaning, your screen doesn't turn on or anything. Now this is gonna go over the buttons and stuff, so make sure you clean that out as well. Let's go clean it really well so there's nothing on the surface at all. There we go. I don't know how this will go, but you can see updates in the description. I'll keep updating on how this thing holds up and how it actually is. One thing I'm actually nervous about is the case getting too annoying on my hand. I hope that's not going to be a problem, but let's see. So you have to peel the back, and I'm not going to waste too much time. This is the crown, as you can see, so just line that up. Try not to waste any time at all, because the more time you waste, the more dust you have to deal with. Alright, I think you just crunch it on like that. Oh, okay. Actually, you want to put the crown in first and then turn to that side. And this is what it looks like. It's not bad actually, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna take this off. This is the protector that was on top, and that looks pretty good actually, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't make a lot of difference on the feel. I thought maybe this would be a little scratchy or whatever, but this is the back, as you can see, and if I wear it, I really don't feel any difference. Now let's go and turn the screen on, and as you can see, everything is pretty clear so far. I do see the lines of the screen protector that was on top of this. Let's try to wet wipe and dry wipe that out. And there you go. There was a bunch on Amazon that I saw with a texture on it, I guess to keep the moisture from growing. But look at this, I don't really see any moisture. I kind of do actually. Right here there's a moisture spot. Now that could be a problem, but I hope it dries up. I feel like there's a little bit of space in there, so that's why we're not seeing any water spot. But there we go. Make sure you thoroughly dry it out before putting it on. And look at this, looks pretty good. You always scratch things with the watch, walking from the side of a wall or whatever. This is going to prevent that, and it doesn't look that bad either. There you go. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.